Right, well I'm going to say good morning and welcome to Saturday. Yes, as you can see I'm in the car and it's pitch black. There's not a lot going in the sky in the moment. There's a lot of cloud cover. So yeah, where are we? We're at Keswick and we're near Derwent Water, in the big car park by the cafe. And anyone that follows us or follows vloggers and the Facebook group, we are here on a big meetup, the Landscape Vloggers on UK YouTube Facebook group. John Haswell organised a meetup at the cafe today, 8 o'clock this morning, and met a few people last night, Tim Day, Gary Norman, PDphotography. So yeah, it's good to meet people last night. Had a bit of a drink. I hit lucky. I slept on Gary's floor and he had a warm room for the night, so I got my bed mat out, my camping mat, slept on his floor. So cheers Gary, nice one, even though he bloody snores. So yeah, why are we here? The meetup. I've come down to the car park. Gary and a few others have gone up to Ashness Bridge. So I thought I'd come down here. There's one particular photograph that's been shot a million times of the fence leading into the water, and I thought, well, I'm here, I've never done it. I'm assuming there'll be a few other people around here this morning because this is going to be the meeting place at 8 o'clock, and at the moment the time's 5:15, something like that. Sunrise at 6:30. So yeah, I'm going to go and get this camera set up, and I've just made me brew. Jet boil was on the go. Got myself a cup of coffee, so I'll see you in a bit. Well, we're back. We've come down to the water's edge. Just been chatting to another photographer down here. He's not down here for the group, he lives local. He's got hundreds of photographs down here. I've basically set up for that classic. You've got this fence, as you can see there, the fence leading out to the island. I've got the camera sort of lowish, so the horizon between, or the gap between the top of the fence and the island's not too big, but it's leading you down. I've taken a couple already. It's about 6:05, so we've still got about half an hour before the sun rises, so we're going to hang around for a bit. No one else down here yet. It looks like everyone's gone up to Ashness. The water's low at the moment. I'm stood in some nice boggy stuff with my wellies on. Yeah, a couple of images, 30-second exposures at the moment, and just wait for the colour to appear in the sky, if we get any colour. And then we'll be back with a few more people around. I'm getting eaten by midges as well. There's a few around still, so I'll just try to keep myself covered up. But yeah, that's the image I'm taking at the moment, and I'll be back when I get another one. As you can see, you can hear the geese flying incoming. Now they look pretty cool, but you can't see them. Geese are coming to land. Yeah, I've moved over. I've come over the fence, but you can see behind me, someone up there. Just jumped over the top. Brought the camera down lower. I've changed lenses. I've gone over to the 16 to 35, just so I've got the option of going wide. There's still no colour in the sky, but there's some brilliant clouds. I put on a polarizer because now I'm looking at the rocks down here in front of us, and I've got the rocks and the fence in the foreground leading you over to the island, and the mountains in the background. I think that's Catbells. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at, the rocks and the fence, just to try and get a few images, different take on it. The water's quite low, so there's an awful lot of boulders showing. Again, going for long exposures, 15 to 20 seconds sort of thing. So yeah, stood in the mud, got the polarizer on and to reduce the glare, and I've also put a 0.6 soft ND grad just to bring that sky down a little bit, because if you look across the horizon you can see there's quite a dark patch, so to try and balance it a little bit, it's giving me an even histogram then. I might just move around, get a few more while I'm here. Just use the rocks and the boulders. I might even try and sort of look down on them, turn the camera over, look down on them and blow the boulders up, put the wide angle on, open it up to 16mm and try something like that. Looks like I've got a few guests. The sheep have come over to say hello. The only problem is, I don't want to meet any band. Oh well, room for us all. So I've moved composition again, I've come out into the water now. What I've done, I think this is my favourite because there's a little bit more colour now. I've got the island just off a centre, and I've got this fence leading you in from the right hand side. The horizon or the water line is central, but I actually quite like it because I've got water definition. It's going to smooth the water out a little bit, but I've got this little rock just down at the bottom, just to hold the empty, the negative space in. And with the polarizer on, it cuts the glare out a little bit and you can see through the water, and the island's nice and green and really prominent, proper contrasty against the mountains in the background. And then of course the sky, that nice heavy grey sky. Now there is above me a few little patches of blue, so you never know what it's going to do. It's give rain at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, something like that, so we could all be getting wet later on. The only problem I've got with this image, and you can probably see it on the camera just about there, is a transit van. Not impressed, but I'll clone that out. But yeah, another nice simple image. Quite a nice little morning really. Not very often I'm out on my own, but yeah, I'm enjoying it. It would have been nice to have a few other people around, or a few vloggers, but I'm sure I'll be overwhelmed a bit later on. Now if I don't tag them onto this, I'll cut this one short and leave this to my morning one. If I get a few more images now, I'll pop them back on for you. But I'll say goodbye and I'll say thanks for watching, and do check out next week when I speak to a few of the other vloggers and other subscribers. It might be you that I talk to, and hopefully I'll find a few people that actually know me, which would be really cool. Just over 400 subscribers now, so I must be doing something right. Someone wants to watch. And I leave this one here. I'll say thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe as per normal, and definitely check out next week's or the next video after this, and I'll link it to this one anyway when it's done. What the rest of the day carries on like. We're going to do this beach. I think we're going to go for a walk down the end. I've seen a composition down that end, and we're going to go down to the Millennium Stone. Never been there before, so yeah, I'm going to shoot that, and I'm going to try and vlog it, as long as I don't get too starstruck. So yeah, ciao for now. See you next time. Bye. Looks like the Masters just turned up.
We're all adults, just be sensible. You know, two people recording today, so be mindful of that. If someone's recording, don't get your drone out and use it around the head.